Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb yafhasu to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'ilun mudari, present tense. Fi'ilun mudari, present continuous tense. Fi'ilun mudari, this is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action happening at the moment or something that we do on daily basis, like going to work, going to school, or going to mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called Fi'ilun mudari. The question is, how do we change the verb yafhas to suit the pronouns below? Yafhasu simply means he is testing, which means to test a patient or someone who is sick so as to find out the kind of sickness that he or she has been afflicted with. So yafhasu means he is testing. So he in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb yafhasu to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb yafhasu to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb yafhasu will now become afhasu, which means I am testing. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb yafhasu to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb yafhasu will now become nafhasu, which means we are testing. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person that we are talking to directly. So how do we change the verb yafhasu to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb yafhasu will now become tafahasu, which means you are testing. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person that we are talking to directly. So how do we change the verb yafhasu to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach ya'un and nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. So the verb yafhasu will now become tafhashina, which means you are testing, talking to a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb yafhasu to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb yafhasu will now become tafhasu, which means she is testing. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something is happening. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing is happening. For instance, Wahid, number one. Yafhasu, he is testing. Ma yafhasu, he is not testing. Ithnan, number two. Tafhasu, she is testing. Ma tafhasu, she is not testing. Thalatha, number three. Afhasu, I am testing. Ma afhasu, I am not testing. Arba'a, number four. Nafhasu, we are testing. Ma nafhasu, we are not testing. Khamsa, number five. Tafhasu, you are testing, talking to a single male person. Ma tafhasu, you are not testing. Sita, number six. Tafhashina, you are testing, talking to a single female person. Ma tafhashina, you are not testing. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. ماذا يفحص الطبيب يا خالد. ماذا يفحص الطبيب يا خالد. ماذا يفحص الطبيب. What is the doctor testing? Ya Khalid, Khalid. Now the answer. يفحص القلب. يفحص القلب. He is testing the heart. اثنان. Number 2. ماذا تفحص الطبيبة يا زينب. ماذا تفحص الطبيبة. What is the doctor testing? Referring to a single female medical doctor. يا زينب. زينب. So now the answer. تفحص الكليتين. تفحص الكليتين. She is testing the kidneys. ثلاثة. Number 3. ماذا تفحص يا طبيب. ماذا تفحص. What are you testing? يا طبيب. Doctor. Now the answer. أفحص صدر المريض. أفحص صدر المريض. أفحص. I am testing صدر المريض, the patient chest. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 4. Number 4. ماذا تفحصين يا طبيبة. ماذا تفحصين يا طبيبة. ماذا تفحصين. What are you testing? يا طبيبة. Doctor. Asking a single female doctor. Now the answer. أفحص أسنان المريضة. أفحص أسنان المريضة. أفحص. I am testing أسنان المريضة, the patient teeth. Remember that أسنان is the plural form of سنان. سنان tooth. أسنان teeth. سنان مفرد. أسنان جمع. So مريض, patient. مريض is a male person who is ill, while مريضة is a female person who is ill. I hope you understand. مريض is مذكر, مريضة is مؤنث. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 5. Number 5. ماذا تفحصان يا أخوي. ماذا تفحصان يا أخوي. ماذا تفحصان. What are you both testing? يا أخوي, my brothers. So how many brothers am I asking? 2 brothers. Now the answer. نفحص دم. نفحص دم. We are testing the blood. 6. Number 6. أين تفحصون الدم يا أطباء. أين تفحصون الدم يا أطباء. أين تفحصون الدم. Where will you all test the blood. يا أطباء. Doctors. The plural form of طبيب is أطباء. Now the answer. سنفحص الدم في المختبر. سنفحص الدم في المختبر. سنفحص الدم. We will test the blood. في المختبر, at the laboratory. سنفحص الدم. We will test the blood. في المختبر, at the lab. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. The synonym in سنفحص indicate a future action, an action that will take place in the time to come but not now. For instance, سأذهب, I will go. سأكل, I will eat. سأشرب, I will drink. سنذهب, we will go. سنأكل, we will eat. سنشرب, we will drink. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 7. Number 7. متى تفحصن الدماء يا طبيبات. متى تفحصن الدماء يا طبيبات. متى تفحصن الدماء. When will you all test the blood. يا طبيبات. Doctors, referring to a group of female doctors. Now the answer. سنفحص الدماء مساء. سنفحص الدماء مساء. سنفحص الدماء. We will test the blood. مساء, in the evening. الدماء is the plural form of الدم. الدم مفرد. الدماء جمع. 8. Number 8. أريد أن أفحص المريض. أريد أن أفحص المريض. I want to test the patient. Referring to a female patient, someone who is sick or someone who is ill. أريد أن أفحص المريض. I want to test the patient. Remember that an is an agent of fatha. So its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of fi'l mudari'un appearing after it. Just like the way we have it in an afahassa. Sadun carrying fataha, caused by an, which comes before it. Uridu an adhaba, I want to go. Uridu an aktuba, I want to write. Uridu an ajlisa, I want to sit. Uridu an akula, I want to eat. Uridu an ashraba, I want to drink. I hope you understand. So the grammatical duty of an is to mark the last letter of fi'lun mudari appearing after it. Fi'l mudari means present tense in Arabic. ثمانية number 8. نريد أن نفحص المريض. نريد أن نفحص المريض. نريد أن نفحص المريض. We want to test the patient, referring to a female patient. I hope you understand. مريض is مذكر, masculine, while مريضة is مؤنث, feminine. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the comparison between madin, past tense, and mudari'un, present tense in Arabic. Wahid number 1. Huwa, he. Fahasa, he tested or he has tested. Yafhasu, he is testing or he tests. Ithnan number 2. Here, she. Fahasat, she has tested or she tested. Tafhasu, she is testing or she tests. Thalatha number 3. Ana, I. Fahastu, I have tested or I tested. Afhasu, I am testing or I test. Khamsa. Arba'a number 4. Nahanu, we. Fahasna, we have tested or we tested. Fahasna, we have tested or we tested. Nafhasu, we are testing or we test. Khamsa number 5. Anta, you, representing a single male person. Fahasta, you have tested or you tested. Tafhasu, you are testing or you test. Sitta number 6. Anti, you, representing a single female person. Fahasti, you have tested or you tested. Tafhashina, you are testing or you test. Sab'a number 7. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Fahastum, you have all tested or you all tested. Tafhasuna, you are all testing or you all test. Thamania number 8. Antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Fahastunna, you have all tested or you all tested. Tafahasna, you are all testing or you all test. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Make sure you visit my online store to buy a copy of my ebooks via the link below. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.